In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register fixed assets in Xero, an essential step for effectively managing your business finances. With clear guidance and a little patience, you'll have your fixed assets accurately recorded in no time. Now, let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to navigate to the top bar of your Xero dashboard. You'll see a tab labeled Accounting. Go ahead and click on that, and a menu will drop down, presenting you with several options. From this menu, find and select Fixed Assets. This will take you to a dedicated section where you can manage all assets associated with your business. Once you're here, you'll be greeted by a list of your existing fixed assets, if you have any. This list provides an excellent overview of what assets are already recorded, making it simple to manage and track them over time. But today, our focus is on registering a new asset. So, what you'll want to do next is locate the New Asset button, which you'll find conveniently placed at the top right of your screen. Click on it, and it will open up a form for entering the details of your new fixed asset. This is where you'll provide all necessary information about your asset. It's important to be thorough here, as these details are crucial for tracking and accounting purposes. Firstly, you'll need to identify what type of asset you're dealing with. Xero allows you to choose from existing asset types, which can make the process a bit quicker if you have a common AS type. Or, if your asset doesn't quite fit any of the pre-existing categories, you can create a new AS type. This flexibility ensures that your specific business needs are met. In addition to specifying the asset type, you'll also need to select a depreciation method. Depreciation is key for reflecting the asset's value accurately over its lifetime, and Xero offers several methods to match your accounting policies. Make sure you select the one that aligns with how you wish to manage the asset's depreciation over time. This selection impacts how the asset's value gets consumed in your financial reports. Once you've meticulously entered all the details about your asset and selected the appropriate depreciation method, it's time to finalize the registration. Look towards the bottom right corner of your screen, where you'll find the Register button. A simple click here completes the process, adding the asset to your fixed assets list, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully registered a fixed asset in Xero. By following these steps, you ensure that your financial records are accurate and kept up to date, which is vital for financial reporting and asset management in any business. Thank you for joining me today, and happy bookkeeping!